Just slow down. We might not even make the line. I want you to trim everything right now, all the way up. You're not even gonna make the line on this side. Trim everything up. We're gonna tack. We just need speed. Okay? Yeah, I'm not over the line. I just need speed. He is. Am I, is this a division 2 boat? That's the only problem. Because when I tack, I gotta be able to cross this guy.
He's did 3 right here.
I gotta be able to cross this guy, or he's gonna have to tack.
30 seconds. 25,
24, 11, 10. Now I got no room to tack. Now I got no space to tack. He's gotta be over. He's gotta be over this guy. Can I tack? Let's tack. Here we go. Roll it. Okay. There we go. Mark, stay low. Stay low, Mark. Stay low. Dad, stay low.
Marty, come on back. Back to the shrouds.
Just stay. Goodbye, Sophie. I wish these guys aren't going to go over the top. I don't know. Don't worry about it.
Give me a half a crank. Why are you only doing like 4.9? This was my problem with that.
No, we would have had to go on starboard more to get there. We're going to get gas out of this guy for sure.
Down, Sophie's up 3 on us and slow.
Yeah,
We're sailing high and slow.
we're going to end up getting gassed out. So, part of the deal.
Try to tack on him.
Can't do anything else because he's got other guys to weather.
Okay.
So let's just.
But you never know.
Well, we're in a header right now, which is okay. We're just gonna duck them. Right? Ed, easy. Talk me through it, Ed.
Okay, you gotta come down. You gotta come down.
Okay, I'm coming down.
Because you got a lot of speed.
All right, coming down.
See him?
Lot? More than this.
There you go.
Yeah, okay. I see him. Yep. Ready? Here we go. Mark, go. Go, Mark, go. Good job. Stay there, Mark. Good job. Wing it. I'm gonna stay high. That way we'll come down and crack off. Well, he's got to get this room. Okay. I started using Andrew Eve. Here we go. All right, roll, Mark, roll, Mark, roll. Here we go. All right. Yep. Right.
I have to tell you, Sophie's got clear air.
Gotta roll it. Mark, go. Mark, go.
Okay. Mind your head. Back up.
Ready? Ready to jive? Mark, start going the other way. Oops. Roll it.
Stay clear of the sheets, please.
All right, Andrew, start trimming. Andrew, start trimming. Marty, you're in a perfect spot. Mark, you're in a perfect spot. All right, Andrew, stop trimming. A little slow here. Okay. Andrew, start trimming. Ed, start trimming. There you go. Keep going. Dad, don't hit the mark. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, we'll give him a shove. Gotta give the race finish a shove. Maybe we won the fleet tonight.
Who's happy with
All right. Yeah, let's go for it. We gotta get it all. Get everything in the bank. Ready? I'm gonna punch the mark. Tell me when. Here we go. Here we go. Coming up. Here we go. Mark 0037.
Thanks, gents. The lady.
First, first in fleet.
Arrivederci, signore.
We won first in fleet. All right, coming down. Coming down. Good race, Marty. Good job, Marty. That was a good night. High your arm. Tired?
Hey, good job.
Nice,
Bullet.
nice race.
Good, good, whatever.
There's no
Just did what we had to do. We executed.
40934. Look at him rounded that mark.
Well, I have to give you a
I
hand.
mean, look at him.
Oh, he's got my heart.